Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how you can put the product that your customer just purchased out of your Beacon store and add it into the thank you page so that they can upload the product that they just purchased. Okay, now I am going into Canva. I'm going to show you going to pick a flyer and we're going to scroll and find the best template that we like to choose our flyer. I want to try to find one that has blocks already so that I don't have to create my own, even though it's not hard to do, but I like to work smarter, not harder. So this one has some blocks that's already pre-done. So let's try this one. So I'm going to change the title first for the weight loss planner that we created in my last video and add it to our Beacon store. So yeah, I'm going to choose the fonts and resize it so that it fits perfectly inside. So I'm going to change the font now because I don't really care for that font too much. So let's play around and give you a variety of fonts to choose from. So I like to play around to see which one that I like that I think would look nice for my thank you page. So now I'm going to delete all of the things that I don't want. I don't need those dates and stuff, so I just highlight it and delete. Highlight, delete, highlight, delete, highlight, delete. Okay. Now I'm going to rearrange my block. Oh, you see how that block has that white? So when I open it back up, it looks like the original block. I don't like that. So I'm going to delete all of those. I'm going to have to create my own blocks because I didn't really care for I thought it was going to be easier, but it wasn't. So you have to play around with this when you get inside. You have to play around with your fonts. I'm going to put my thank you here so that I can make this say thank you from a thank you page. And then I have my description there, what I would put to explain what this page does, how to upload it, and all that stuff. But for the sake of time, I'm going to zoom in so you can see. And I'm just going to put in um, thank you message goes here. And so this is the information that your customer gets once they purchase. This is the page they'll be directed to. So I'm going to find my shape so I can create my own block because this is going to be the block that they're going to click to get to the actual product because this is a download. So you have to download it from here. So I'm going to pick a color that matches my brand. And then I'm going to type in here to access weight loss planner here. Then once I do that, I want to change the size to make it big enough for people to read. Then I'm going to highlight it because I want to put the link here. You see the link? I'm going to click a link. And then I'm going to put the website that I want inside of there. And I'm going to press done. So now that when my customer clicks on this right here, it's going to take them straight to where they need to go. Now I'm going to copy that so that I can put the second product that I have, and you keep doing that for every product that you have for them will go on this page. You just change the name of the product and you'll do the same thing. You'll highlight it, you'll put the product's email link HTTP address there, and then you will once you put the link inside, then they'll be able to click on that one also. Now I'm going to shorten this down, shrink this down so that you can see how to add another template. This template is going to be the main template with the design in the background. This was just the information for that template. I like to do the information first, and then once I'm done with that, I like to go ahead, find a nice template, and then add all that information inside that template. So this is exactly what the customer is going to see and get. So I just delete all the elements that I don't want any longer. And I'm going to zoom in so I can see all the things because you see that? I didn't see that when it was far away. So I zoom in so I can see all the elements in here. That's another one I don't want. I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to continue to put my stuff, shrink it down so I can drag all my stuff down and position it. Oops, gotta grab that. Huh. When you move too fast, sometimes I can't catch it. So, and now I want to delete that blank page. I don't need that anymore. Okay, and then I want to make that message bigger because it's small. So I change the font size there. Okay, then I just kind of rearrange it. And what I notice is when you zoom in, you can really line up everything, make sure everything's lined up. See how it's not, there you go. See the line, it tells you when you're lined up with each thing. All right, and you can make that look any way you want. I'm just doing this for the sake of the video. You can keep that long where the here is next to planner, or you can do the second line like I did. It doesn't matter. Right there is the background colors matches, so you can make everything match your background colors, the template palette colors, so it all looks good. And now that's it. That's your thank you page that your customer gets. Now let's see if we got to share it as a template link. And this is a link that you would give the customer after they purchase. This is the link they will get. And once they get the link, they're going to put it in Google or wherever to open it. Once they open the link, it's going to take them to this right here, and they're going to click that. It's going to open up the page that they purchased. Here's the weight loss planner that we uploaded into our beacons. So that's how that works. So that is the page that you give to your customers after they've purchased your product from your beacon store or your stand store, whatever store you choose to set up. And once they get that page, they're able to access all the products that you have uploaded on that page for them. It's that simple. That's why people like making money online, because it's simple. All you have to do is do a little tweaks here and there, and then you're able to sell whatever you want. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you were able to find this easy. And if you didn't, please feel free to ask me any questions. I will be happy to help you. Please subscribe. Please share this with other people that may need the same information. And I will be happy to mentor you or show you other ways that you can do stuff in Canva. I love Canva. It's my best friend. Like, everything I do is pretty much inside Canva, including this video. So if you want to know more information, more tips, more tricks on how you can create your own products, how you can upload your products in Canva, how you can upload them in beacons, I can help you with all of that. So stay tuned for more tips and tricks in this digital marketing space, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Can't wait to see you next time. Bye. See you later.